Hi, I'm Joe from the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food, and today I'm going to show you how to start and operate our John Deere 900 high crop. Once I'm in the operator seat, I'm going to put my seatbelt on because this is a tractor with ROPS. Okay. Now to start it, I'm going to press the brake and the clutch in. I'm going to set my gear lever into neutral, my range lever into neutral. I'm going to give it just a little bit of throttle and turn the key. Now that the tractor is started, I'm going to show you how to raise and lower the 3-point hitch and the mid-mount cultivator. To lower the 3-point hitch, we have this outside lever here. And we're going to push it forward to put the 3-point down. And we're going to pick it up to pick it up. Now to adjust the mid-mount cultivator, that'll be the inside knob here. And we're going to push it down to go down and up to go up. We're going to take our range lever and put it into low to push forward. And then we're going to select first gear. So we're going to go our gear into first, get a little more throttle, and then let off the clutch to drive. And now I can give it a little bit more throttle. Now to shut off this tractor, we're going to put it into neutral on our gear and our range. We can release the clutch. We'll set our parking brake by pushing in the brake and turning the hand knob. And then finally we'll take the throttle and push it all the way up. And then we'll turn the key off. Now the John Deere 900 high crop is narrow, meaning the wheels are set in, and it's fairly tall, which makes it fairly top heavy and prone to tipping. So we don't want it to drive across hillsides, we want to drive on flat ground or straight up and straight down hills. We also want to make sure we're keeping our speed down with this tractor. We really should never see above 5th or maybe 6th gear if we're traveling down a road.